against stronger teams like Abra. They will be without Marping Risto, who is nursing a hip injury sustained in practice, while Jopet Soriano remains sidelined with a hamstring injury suffered 2 games ago. Back to you guys.
Oo, totoo yun. And I think yung picking at the right time is key right there, including yung pagtapos ng maayos. Kasi alam naman natin, napakahaba nitong season ito.
Si Aaron kasi Aaron Paul. Yung kapatid niya, yung kambal niya, Aaron John.
Okay.
So si Aaron John, malamang nanonood yan ngayon. At mahilig din sa basketball dati. Pero, maaga siyang nagkapamilya eh. Andre Acop.
Tell me you're not reading that from a note.
Alin?
Mga sinabi mo.
Hindi ko binasa.
Oh my God.
So, syempre, nakwento nila yung buhay nila.
Pero alam mo, kahit na napanood yun, hindi ko pa rin maaalala yung mga detalye na yun. Ibang klase yung memory ko yan.
Si Big Boy has to create. Nakawala. Tumama sa rim. Andre, all day to shoot. And he hits it. A long 2-pointer. Mike. He had that go-ahead jumper almost at that same spot.
Pero nararamdaman mo yung hesitation dahil na rin sa depensa nitong Binyan.
Moralejo off the glass and in.
Progress despite Bulacan's recent losses. Ayon sa kanya, willing maglaro ang lahat pero aminado siyang ang kanilang talo sa Rizal ang pinakamatindi matapos nilang bitawan. Mag-enjoy lang kayo pero alam niyo na dapat ang role niyo, ang paalala niya. Coach Alan added that Bulacan's mindset has evolved. Dati, ang goal lang ay maramdaman ang presence nila sa liga to suit up despite a right shoulder injury and is only around 60% healthy. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Lara and Bulacan already surpassing their win total from last season.
Importante dito is patuloy sila, pagsikapan yung makakuha sila ng maraming panalo. Start of the season, they were very competitive.
Halos magkakasunod yan eh. Kabilang dyan yung Mindoro din.
Yeah.
March De Leon, 29-9 edge in that department.
Really getting dominated off the boards. Another good pass inside. That's assist number 14.
Nakuha ni Nick Caballero yung rebound.
Grabe yung clog ng shaded area na yun. 4 na beses pala nakaka-attempt inside the paint. Ito nga Bulacan Cuyas. That's how clogged the inside has been for Binyan.
March De Leon, face-up jumper over Waray Gimpayan.
Diba? May magkasama. Si Coach Christian. Shout out, Coach Christian.
And also, happy anniversary to Coach Christian.
Oh, yeah.
And his